Hey everybody, today we will be making an apple pie. First, cut 6 apples into little pieces. Then sift 300 grams of flour. Add 500 grams of milk to the flour. Then crack 4 eggs. Mix it all up. Add 1 pinch of salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add 1 spoon of cream cheese. If you want, you can add some walnuts. Add some honey. Mix it all up. And add your cut up apples. Heat the pan and add 30 grams of butter. After that, add your mixture into the pan. Close the lid, and after 10 or 15 minutes, flip the pie. After 10 minutes, your pie is ready. This is an easy apple pie which you can share with your family and friends. Enjoy your meal.